Hello everyone. So at this stage, you have validated PT-AutoMate and prepared your drawing files. Let's try the clean RAM feature and see the results. Start by opening the drawing file. Okay. Click on Clean RAM. The settings window will appear for you to review the values and make sure they match the map you're working on. If it looks good, press OK. Now PT-AutoMate is working on making the map clean and readable and collecting all data from the map and the other exported files in that same folder. So after analyzing the data, PT-AutoMate provides you with a list of warnings captured based on what was specified in the warning settings. Navigate between the different types of warnings and see what needs to be revised or ignored. When done, click to close. And here it is. The old map has completely transformed. Now we have a nice presentation of the tendons. Every tendon has its own ID, the number of strands, distance between tendons, live ends, Z ends, band boxes are in place, intermediate shears are generated, similar tendons are linked together. Those tendons have hidden shears and colored with gray to reduce the crowdiness on the map. More great features in the menu that will be explained in different videos. Now I will just draw the data tables that have all the information you want. We start with the tendon table that has all the information about each tendon. You have all the information here per tendon. So as you can see, we have like 45 tendons, and here we have 45 rows. Then the chairs table to give you the quantity per chair height. So for example, here we have like 8 chairs with the height of 80. Then anchorage table, live end, dead end, band boxes, and finally the summary table. Thank you and enjoy using PT-AutoMate.